Good afternoon, friends. This video is in continuation of our special series of GST on summon, inspection, search, seizure. In this capsule, we are going to discuss the arrest provision and what are the offences called as bailable offences and non-bailable offences. Section 69 of CGST Act says, where any commissioner is having reason to believe, commissioner having any reason to believe that any person engage in four specified offences under section 132 subsection 1 clause A to clause D. Clause A says when such person is engaged in supply of goods or services without issuance of invoice, with an intention to evade taxes, which is in violation of the provision of the Act or rules made thereunder. Clause B. Issuing invoice or bill, but without supply of goods or services, in violation of the provision of the Act or rules made thereunder, resulting into fraudulent credit availed or utilized or refund of taxes. Clause C. Recipient is taking credit on such invoices which are being issued without supply of goods or services, resulting into fraudulent credit availed or utilized. Last, clause D. Fails to pay the taxes even after collection beyond 3 months time period, from the due date of payment of such taxes. So even after collection, it is not being paid beyond a period of 3 months from the due date of payment of taxes. So in this given situation, if commissioner is having reason to believe, he may order for arrest of such person, even authorized other GST officials for arresting such person. Now these four specified offences are termed as non-bailable, cognizable offences under GST. If amount of tax evaded or input tax credit wrongly availed or utilized, or refund erroneously being taken, an amount exceeding 5 crore, then that shall be punishable with imprisonment, which may extend for a period of 5 years plus fine. If amount is falling in between 2 crore to 5 crore, that shall be punishable with imprisonment, which may extend to 3 years plus fine. If this amount is in between 1 crore to 2 crore, then that shall be punishable with imprisonment, which may extend to 1 year plus fine. And for any subsequent offense, that shall be punishable with imprisonment, which may extend to 5 years plus fine. So these are non-bailable offences. If any person who is being arrested under GST for these four specified offences beyond 5 crore, then as per the provision, he should be intimated reason, ground for arrest. So arrest memo to be prepared by the department, and this accused who is being arrested must be intimated ground and reason for arrest. He must be produced within 24 hours before judicial magistrate. So only these four specified offences beyond 5 crore are called non-bailable offences. Now, other than all offences would be bailable and non-cognizable offences. In that case, bail may be granted by the Deputy Commissioner or Assistant Commissioner, as normally it is being granted by police officer under the Code of Criminal Procedure. So this capsule basically focusing on what is the arrest provision under GST. It starts with reason to believe. Commissioner is having reason to believe, and reason to believe is a very subjective term. Engage in 4 specified offences. And one more change which I would like to highlight here. There is amendment proposed under section 132 subsection 1. It says whoever has committed or causes to commit and who retain the benefit of such offences, any of the 4 specified offences, then the person who is engaged, committed the offence, or the person who causes to commit, so any person who is helping to the tax evader, causes to commit and retain the benefit of any of the offences, both are liable for the imprisonment provision. It may be non-bailable offences depending on the 4 specified offences. All other offences are bailable offences. So this proviso which is amending section 132 subsection 1 yet to be notified. So as on date we are reading whoever has committed. So as in when this proviso get notified, then any person who is causes to commit will also be liable for these specified offences. In this capsule, I have captured the arrest provision with bailable and non-bailable offences. In next capsule, I am going to discuss one of the important Gujarat High Court judgment, whether adjudication and assessment is compulsory before arrest of any person. If arrest is being done, what are the precautions need to be taken by the GST officials? So stay tuned for the next capsule. For arrest, what is reason to believe? When Commissioner can order for the arrest? Whether adjudication and assessment is compulsory for arresting a person or it can be done before? And what are the precautions? What should be the arrest memo importance for arresting a person before production of this arrest person before judicial magistrate? Stay tuned. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.